Have you ever been looking at a Google Sheet and wishing there was an easy way to view where all the formulas are? In today's video, I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first way is a view toggle. So you can do it from the menu, view, show, then formulas. And notice that there is a keyboard shortcut here that I use on a semi-frequent basis. And so now if you look, the view is now toggled to show all the formulas instead of the results of the formulas. So this can be useful for a quick scan, but it isn't very useful if you still want to be able to use the spreadsheet. And that brings us to our second method. We can also conditionally format our sheet to display formulas. So go to Format and Conditional Formatting, and then the Apply to Range, make sure to do A1 to the last column in your sheet. So in this case, H, but if you have the standard layout, then that would be Z. So you can just scroll over and find the last one. Then what we're going to do is go here and go down to custom formula is, and then we're going to type equals is formula A1 and close parentheses. And then you can change this highlighting to whatever color that you want. And this will highlight wherever the formulas are in that color while you're still able to view the results. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.